Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Yesterday we had a big down day led by the beans after the USDA came out and said that the crop conditions were good, and that also that weather across the Midwest was good, and also after some fallout from BRIEX. We continue to see our interest rates futures sink lower. We continue to see crude oil sink lower. So when we looked at the composition of our markets, the biggest longs were in the beans, then the corn, and they were short wheat. So actually when we closed limit down in the meal, we were 60 cents lower in the beans, 9 cents lower in the corn, but a couple cents higher in the wheat. Overnight, we continue to see some losses in the crude oil. The stock markets were lower in China and Europe, and also the beans are down about 20 cents. So we're down to levels where people thought we might find support in the beans if we had good weather because of the good demand outlook. And we're down at levels in corn where there's not really a lot of risk on the downside from here, and analysts are suggesting for farm end users to buy some corn here. Wheat prices globally are still lower than where we are right now, and wheat's trying to compete with corn as far as the feed grain, so it's trying to keep up with corn prices as they sink lower. USDA estimated the corn crop 75% good to excellent. That was higher than some people had thought. They estimated the bean crop at 70% good to excellent. That's down a couple of percentage points. Winter wheat harvest is 58% done. Conditions remain very good, and yields coming out of Kansas are excellent. Spring wheat was rated 72% good to excellent, and USDA did rate topsoils 33% short to very short versus 31 last week and 18 last year. So the rains that we're seeing today across parts of eastern Iowa, Wisconsin, northern Illinois is welcomed. The 6-10-day outlook calls for normal rains and normal to above temps. The 11 to 15 day is trying to be in warmer temps and a little bit below normal precip. So we're not quite out of the woods yet, and there are pockets that are missing the rains. But in general, you're seeing longs flush out of commodities, whether it's because of the weather conditions or because of BRIEX. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.